How much does a shingle roof cost in West Michigan? It's 2025 and hopefully we're coming out of several years of inflation. Maybe you've been thinking about getting your roof replaced and you got a quote 4 years ago and you're afraid that that quote is now going to be double what it was back then. I'm here to help you know today a rough range of what you can expect to spend on a shingle roof in 2025. Roof prices vary quite a bit depending on different things, and those things include complexity, the size obviously of the roof, and any underlying issues that maybe you don't see at a first glance. So the first step to getting a gauge as to how much your roof is going to cost is to calculate the surface area of the roof. If you know the square footage of the first floor, the main floor of your home, generally the roof is going to be 15 to 40% larger than that due to the overhangs, the part that sticks out around the edge of the roof, and the pitch of the roof. So once you have a rough idea of the square footage of the roof surface, you can do a simple calculation, and I would expect to spend $5 to $8 per square foot for a full roof replacement. This should include full tear off and quality materials. There are a couple of things that can increase that cost. Those would include any additional layers. So if there's multiple layers of roofing already installed on the house, that's going to be extra work to tear those off and get rid of those. And then any obstacles like chimneys or skylights. There are some things that may help reduce the cost of your roof, and that would be ease of access, simpler roofs. If you think about a home that may just have 2 slopes with no valleys, that kind of a roof is going to be more efficient than a complicated roof. And obviously the size of the roof makes a huge difference. Currently, the average roof here in West Michigan, if you think about just a regular home in a subdivision, a normal average roof is going to cost $12,000 to $15,000. Small roofs, super small roofs, are going to start out at about $5,000 for a full replacement and then go up from there. One thing to keep in mind, in 2025, most of the shingle manufacturers have announced price increases for April 1st. So if you're thinking about getting your roof replaced this year, I would recommend setting that in motion prior to April 1st so you can take advantage of current pricing rather than get hit with that increase. If you find yourself in need of a roof in West Michigan, feel free to reach out to us at Property Revolution. We can come out, do a roof inspection, and give you an exact quote on how much it will cost to replace your roof. I hope this helps. Take care, everybody.